Hi, I'm Brent from Market Tire. Market Tire provides premium auto repair services in Saskatoon, Rosthern, and Prince Albert, including battery maintenance and replacement. Your vehicle's battery provides bursts of energy in order to start your vehicle, power your lights, accessories, and your engine. Anyone who has had the misfortune of a car that wouldn't start during our harsh Saskatchewan winter knows the importance of a properly maintained battery. Market Tire is an official interstate battery dealer, and our certified technicians can test, charge, or replace your battery on the spot for you. Stop into Market Tire today and let us help you care for your car's battery. We can clean and remove rust and add anti-corrosive protection, tighten and hold down clamps and terminals, test your battery's condition and charge, and check the alternator belt for tension and wear and tear. Allow our staff of technicians at Market Tire to assist you in picking the right battery for your vehicle. Call or stop in or book an appointment online today at markettire.ca.